Today we see CBSE Class 12 Geography Unit 2 Chapter 2 The World Population Part 2 Trends in Population Growth. The population on the earth is more than 6 billion. It has grown to its size over centuries. In the early period of population of the world grew very slowly. It is only during the last few hundred years that the population has increased at an alarming rate. Figure 2.3 tells the story of population growth. After the evolution and introduction of agriculture about 8,000 to 12,000 years ago, the size of population was small, roughly 8 million. In the first century AD, it was below 300 million. The expanding world trade during the 16th and 17th century set the stage for rapid population growth. Around 1750, at the dawn of the Industrial Revolution, the world population was 550 million. The world population exploded in the 18th century after the Industrial Revolution. Technological advancement achieved so far helped in the reduction of birth rate and provided a stage for accelerated population growth to 6 billion. See the table 2.1 carefully, which shows the doubling time of world population is reducing fast. There is a great variation among the regions in doubling their population. Table 2.2 shows that developed countries are taking more time to double their population as compared to developing countries. Most of the population growth is taking place in the developing world, where population is exploding. Why is this so? Doubling time of world population. It took more than a million years for the human population to attain the 1 million mark, but it took only 12 years for it to rise from 5 billion to 6 billion. See the table 2.1 carefully, which shows that doubling time of the world population is reducing fast. Spatial pattern of population change. Population growth in different parts of the world can be compared. The growth of population is low in developed countries as compared to developing countries. There is a negative correlation between the economic development and the population growth. Although the annual rate of population change 1.4% seems to be low. Table 2.3. It is actually not so. This is because when a small annual rate is applied to all very large population, it will lead to a large population change. Even if the growth rate continues to decline, the total population grows each year. The infant mortality rate may have increased as has the death rate during childbirth. Impact of population change. A small increase in population is desirable in a growing economy. However, population growth beyond a certain level leads to problems. Of these, the depletion of resources is the most serious. Population decline is also the matter of concern. It indicates that resources that had supported a population earlier are now insufficient to maintain the population. The deadly HIV and AIDS epidemics in Africa and some parts of the Commonwealth of the Independent States (CIS) and Asia have pushed up the death rates and reduced average life expectancy. This has slowed down the population growth. Population growth rate. The annual population growth rate in India is 1.64%. Some developed countries will take 318 years to double their population, whereas some countries still do not show symptoms of doubling their population. Demographic transition. Demographic transition theory can be used to describe and predict the future population of any area. The theory tells us the population of any region changes from high births and the high deaths to developed births and low deaths as society progresses from rural, agrarian and illiterate to urban industrial and literate society. These changes occur in stages which are collectively known as the demographic cycle. Rural, agrarian, urban industrial in the arrow mode demographic transition. The figure 2.5 explains the three-staged model of demographic transition theory. The first stage has high fertility and high mortality because people reproduce more to compensate for the debt due to the epidemics and the variable food supply. The population growth is low and most of the people are engaged in agriculture where large families are an asset. Life expectancy is low. People are mostly illiterate and have low levels of technology. 200 years ago, all the countries of the world were in this stage. Fertility means high in the beginning of the second stage, but it declines with time. This is accompanied by reduced mortality rate. Improvements in the sanitation and health condition lead to decline in mortality. Because of this gap, the net addition to population is high. In the last stage, both fertility and mortality decline considerably. Population is either stable or grows slowly. Population becomes urbanized, literate, and has high technical know-how and deliberately controls the family size. This shows that human beings are extremely flexible and are able to adjust their fertility. In the present day, different countries are at different stages of demographic transition. Population control measures. Family planning is the spacing or preventing the birth of the children. Access to family planning services is a significant factor in limiting population growth and improving women's health. Propaganda, free ability of contraceptives and tax incentives for large families are some of the measures which can help population control. Thomas Malthus, in his theory 1793, stated that the number of people would increase faster than the food supply. Any further increases would result in a population crash caused by the famine, disease, and war. The preventive checks are better than the physical checks. For the sustainability of other resources, the world will have to control the rapid population increase. Thank you.